Samsung has announced the futurist Galaxy S25 series with the addition of the Ultra variant. It will be a super flagship. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the most high-end smartphone that ever exists. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone is coming with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touch screen display and resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels with 6.9 inches display screen size and 120 Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, you will have a 12 GB of RAM. Galaxy S25 Ultra will have quad camera setup on the back and main sensor will be 200 megapixel and front camera will be 12 megapixel. Phone has under display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory capacity. The Galaxy S25 powered by Snapdragon 8 Lite and a 4.47 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of 18830. The extra large 50,000 mAh battery pack is enough for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The phone will run on Android 15 operating system. There will be an IP68 dust water resistant. That's all for now and thanks for watching.